Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest, in-depth looks at the items that promise to upgrade your daily life. Today, we're diving into what I truly believe is the best Mrs. Meyer's Room Freshener spray on the market, Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Room Freshener in the lavender scent. And this isn't just any bottle. It comes in a generous 8 fluid ounce size and is sold in a convenient pack of 6. Making it a solid value for households that appreciate freshness and a naturally calming atmosphere. Let's start with what immediately sets this product apart: its scent. The lavender fragrance in this spray is not synthetic or overpowering. It's a garden-fresh floral experience. You're getting a calming, original herbal aroma that's been carefully crafted to refresh your space without becoming intrusive. It's perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, even entryways, especially when you want to create a relaxing environment with just a few spritzes. But the real beauty of this room freshener lies not just in the fragrance, but in the thoughtfulness of its formulation. Mrs. Meyer's has built its reputation on using carefully chosen ingredients, and this spray is no exception. There are no propellants, no parabens, no phthalate, and absolutely no artificial colors. It's made with essential oils and clean fragrance components that make you feel good about what you're spraying into your home. Unlike traditional aerosols, this comes in a non-aerosol spray bottle. But more importantly, it gives you control. A couple of pumps are all it takes to bring life back into any room. You can even use it on some fabrics, though, fair warning, keep it away from delicates just to be safe. One of the most surprising things about this lavender room spray is its scent longevity. While it's marketed to last around 3 days, in practical use, that depends on the room and ventilation. Still, even a light mist can linger for quite some time and make a noticeable difference. It's ideal for those moments in between deep cleaning days, when your home isn't dirty, but it doesn't feel freshly cleaned either. None of Mrs. Meyer's products, including this room freshener, are tested on animals. So you're not only refreshing your home, you're supporting ethical practices in the personal and home care industry. Now, if you're someone who's tried multiple air fresheners, whether they're gel-based, plug-ins, or aerosol sprays, you'll probably agree that they often come with trade-offs. Too artificial, too strong, too fleeting. But with Mrs. Meyer's Lavender Room Freshener, it feels like they've really found the sweet spot. It's strong enough to make an impact, but subtle enough to feel natural. It's simple, effective, and elegant in how it transforms a space. If you're in a household that loves cozy vibes, clean ingredients, and long-lasting freshness, this is the room spray for you. And the pack of 6? It means you're stocked for months, or you can share with family and friends who'll thank you for it. If you're looking for a signature scent that makes your house feel like a peaceful retreat, this could be your new favorite home staple. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more authentic product deep dives. See you next time.